Hey guys, it's Carolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have an Echo Park haul video to show you guys. So they were having a spring or something warehouse sale and I signed up to their newsletter. So they emailed me with early access to the sale. And then because I subscribed to their Echo Park like bi-monthly kit, I got another discount on top of that. And so I went down a rabbit hole and I bought a bunch of paper. Oh my gosh, guys. I got a million problems, but buying paper pads, I don't think is one of them. All right, guys, let's get started and I'll show you guys what I picked up. All right, guys, so I also got some brads. I never pick these up, but they were $2 each, and I got 2 of each one because I thought, like, if I want to do a waterfall and I want one on each side, it would be really cute to have a matching one. So I thought I got 2 of each one. Let me see. Yes, I did. So I got 2 packs. So like these ones I could use, you know, on each side instead of just having to use one. So I got 2 of them and they were $2 each. I also picked up some puffy stickers, and these are the puffy stickers from the Remember the Magic collection. And you get some little puffy stickers, which I thought is cute little accent pieces. I think these were also $2. I'm gonna look at my order here. Hold on, guys, I'm gonna tell you. Yeah, they were $2. So for all of this, guys, I paid $84.60. I got free shipping because I bought a lot. I got $26 off because I'm part of their club kit. And then I also had a coupon code, and then I got another $9.40 off. So total for everything was $84.60. Okay, so I thought that was a pretty good deal. Like, look at all this paper I got. I also picked up some brads. Again, I never pick up brads or anything, but I thought they were really cute. And I've been using brads a lot lately, it seems, so I thought I would get some. And these are decorative, so it's not like you use them all the time, but they're cute. And these ones are summer. They're the summertime theme. Look at that little watermelon. I love that little watermelon brad and the little swimsuit. How adorable, right? And you got like some chipboard pieces down here. So I got those. Then you guys know how much I love this paper pad. It's the Home Again collection. So I did pick up another 2. I have a lot of 6x6 albums I need to be making. So I picked up another 2. I also picked up 2 of these, which is the Winter Market. And I don't think I've shown you guys this one before, so let me show you that one. I know for a fact I showed you guys the Home Again collection before, and I showed you guys the 6x6, and I've also shown you guys the 12x12 because I have both. So I'm not going to show that one again. But I'm not sure if I showed this one, so I will show you Winter Market. Just a little quick flip through. This is not supposed to be like a detailed flip through or anything, but just so you guys could get an idea of what it looks like. It's really cute. And there's like little hot cocoa cups. Where was those? They're cute little hot cocoa cups. Look at that. Look how cute that is, right? Anyway, so I picked up 2 of those. I picked up one of these. This one is called Dive Into Summer. And I've never had this one yet either. So let me show you guys this one. Okay. So this one looks like this. Okay, so that's a Dive Into Summer. I also got this one that says Fish Are Friends, and guys, that just reminds me of that line from Nemo, like, fish are friends, not food. And it just reminds me of that. And I thought this would be like such a cute little like album for a birthday, especially if it's like a little birthday theme for like a boy. If it's like a little under the sea kind of theme. Wouldn't this be so cute? Or even just to document like a trip where it's like based around water, like so cute. Then I picked up this one. This one is called Magical Adventure. And this is like these papers that everybody's using for like Disney scrapbooking, but I think they're using the 4th one. So this is number 2, Magical Adventure 2. The colors are still like Disney, and it says Mouse and Me, and you could still use this one for a Disney theme. Oh my gosh, this is going to be so cute for a little Disney album. And I've been getting a lot of this paper lately because I want to do a lot with it. And then I also got another one that would go with that if I choose to use it together. And why can't I open you? Okay, so this one is called Remember the Magic, but as you guys saw, they do look similar, especially because they have that same color scheme. This one's just got some more craft in here, but they go together. So cute. So that's that one. Then I really wanted the 12 by 12 collection kit in this one, but they didn't have the collection kit in this one. This one's called Witches and Wizards. It's a Halloween one, but it's based around more of like witchcraft and wizardry. Harry Potter, maybe? So there's this one. Yeah, it definitely looks like a Harry Potter theme. Maybe that was the intention. Yeah, and even with the owl. This is all Harry Potter. So I wanted the 12 by 12, but they didn't have. So I got that. And did I mention all of my 6 by 6 paper pads were $3 each. And when I get to the 12 by 12s, the collection kits, those were $7 each. So that was their warehouse sale. So this one is called By the Sea. I thought this one would be such a cute, like, nautical themed album. Maybe you're documenting a boating trip, a cruise, or something. That would be really cute. I also can't stop buying baby paper, apparently. And so I picked up this. This is Baby Boy. I also did get a 12 by 12 collection kit in this, and same thing with the baby girl one. Oh my gosh, guys, my iPhone storage was full, so I'm going way back. I was already showing you guys the collection kits, and I just realized. So here was the Baby Boy. Okay, and same idea, but for Baby Girl, I also got, which I guess it's not really the same idea. They kind of do look different. I mean, they look the same, but they look different, right? I think it was like the same idea, but definitely got different images and everything. So that's the Baby Boy and the Baby Girl. Now let me show you guys the collection kits. I'm just going to zoom out a little, and I'm going to show you guys, I'm not going to do like a detailed flip through, but I'm just kind of going to go like this and show you guys. So this one is called I Love Summer, designed by Lori Whitlock for Echo Park. So this is what this one looks like. It's very colorful, and it seems like it's more catered towards kids. I mean, it depends on which papers I use, right? And then here is the sticker sheet for that. Here is another collection called A Cozy Christmas. This one's so cute. So pretty. And if you guys want to see any of these in more detail, let me know. But I think you guys are getting the idea from this flip through, and then here's the sticker sheet. This next one is called Bark, and I'm pretty sure I have a bunch of these because I don't know if this is the one I was going to use for my dog's album. There's like 2 collections, doggy ones that I saw that I got, and I forgot which one is the one that I was going to use for my doggy album, so I have to go through my stash and find it first. But I can't remember. But anyway, this is the Bark collection. That's what it looks like. Now we got the same idea as this one, as the Bark, but now we have a cat version, so they look really similar. You can see some of the patterns are the same. But this one is a cat version called Meow. And it looks like you get 2 of each kind of paper. And then here is the sticker sheet. I also got this. This is called Homemade with Love, and it's totally not my style, guys. And this is by Carta, so this one is the textured version of the papers. Totally not my style and more vintagey. But it's gonna look so cute on like a little recipe book, I think. Let me know what you guys think of these, of this collection. But I thought I could work with this. I don't know. Now I'm second guessing this decision to buy this. Definitely more vintagey than I am used to, for sure. Okay, and then here are the stickers. How come these don't look vintagey like the rest of the collection? You guys pretty much saw the baby boy collection, so I'm not going to do another one of those, but I will show you the stickers. So that's baby boy, and then I also did show you baby girl and just a smaller scaled down version. But here are the stickers of baby girl. Super cute. Then here is birthday wishes. This one's for a boy, birthday wishes boy collection. So this is what this looks like. You get 2 of each. And then here are the stickers. Here is Birthday Wishes Girl collection version. So same idea, but now it's girl colors, but it looks like it's the same patterns, just different colors. I could probably make 2 albums at once with this one because the patterns seem to be the same, and I can make a boy version and a girl version that much quicker if I know like which patterns and papers I'm going to be using. And last but not least, guys, this one is called Good Day Sunshine by Echo Park. And this one, oh, this is so cute. Oh, it's just like a perfect summer day. Okay, I'm so excited for this one. I didn't know if I was going to like it just based on the cover, but I think I do. I think my least favorite is that Homemade with Love one because it's so vintagey and not my typical cup of tea. But this is so cute. And then here is the sticker sheet. I might take it back, guys. Maybe buying all this paper is a problem, but guys, when it's so cheap, don't you just have to buy it? Like, how could you say no? I mean, these collection kits are, I mean, I guess they're the same price at Tuesday Morning, but I mean, maybe these are too, but you don't always find them at Tuesday Morning, right? So you just kind of just need to get them when you could find them, right? Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching my Echo Park warehouse sale haul video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next crafty video. So stay tuned and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.